Hello guys, welcome back. It's Pokepacker Day 365 here with another video. Today I have got another Hiddenfates pack out of the Elite Trainer box. That means after this one I'll be down to 8. So let's get started. I quite like the pack arts on these. I haven't actually collected a set yet, so I might keep a set. Just to obviously keep, but I'm not sure yet. Well, depending if I can do this as well, I might actually keep the, oh no, maybe not. So keep the pack. You know what, that's already gone. Keep that till later. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Hey, 2 in a row. 2 days streak in a row. I like it. Misty's Determination. Scyther. It's quite cool. There was someone I was talking to, I can't remember. Oh yeah, it was some guy on Facebook actually. We were talking about Scythers, he's crazy into it. I think he's got that one, but Jinx. Paris. Caterpie. Charmander. Clefairy. Psyduck. A shiny Ralts. That's quite nice. And oh, okay. Jesse and James. That's quite nice. I like that. I don't think that's a secret rare. I think that's just a rare. But yeah, that's quite cool. You know what I want to do with these two? I am going to get my little pack of sleeves and sleeve both of them up. And the centering on that one's quite nice as well. And shiny Ralts. I quite like the shiny cards in this set. Very, very nice. But yeah, there you go. Those are my 2 cards. Probably my favourite one is the Jesse and James. It's a shame they haven't got Meowth on there actually. Oh no, they do. They do. I'm lying. Just there. Right. Anyway, guys. Just before I go, that's the code card for today. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and just leave some comments if you think I can do anything that will help or make this more exciting or interesting. I really do appreciate your feedback, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.